To remove the rear bumper on the Mk5 Golf, you need to remove both the outer rear lights. To remove the rear light on the Mk5 Golf, there are two 10mm nuts. The lower one you'll be able to get with a spanner, the top one you might have to use a socket. Now in the wheel arches there'll be 3 T25 Torx screws. Now you may want to jack the car up just to give you a bit more access room. If you do, make sure you jack on this point here, avoid the exhaust system and the fuel tank. Now underneath the car we've got one more T25 holding the wheel arch liner to the bumper, and in the centre we've got 2 T30 Torx. Now remove a T20 Torx screw from both sides. Now if your car is fitted with mud flaps, you'll need to remove a T20 Torx from underneath and remove 3 clips. Now remove the 2 T30 Torx screws left where the lights were. To disconnect the wiring for the number plate lights, remove this connector here.